Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Texas's UST database. So I wanted to start off by showing you this blog post. What's in it are the links to all the UST databases, and they're by state. So if we go down the page to Texas, which is here, and click on this link, you will end up on this page, and you have a few choices. So you can either search, which I'll show you in a second, or you can actually download this raw data. So I downloaded the operator and the owner extract, and it's very messy. I did try to bring these up in Excel to see if I could figure out the rhyme or reason for how the files were set up, but I could not figure it out, so at least not right now. But what you will see in these files is a lot of contact information, including some email addresses. So this is the operator file, and if I go under the owner file, you'll find a similar situation where there's definitely email addresses and contact information. So it'd be interesting to play with a little bit to see what we could make out of these. But if we go back here and I click on this link, and I performed a query, and my query basically was that I put in Mart as part of the name. They had to be active and they had to be part of this program, and did pull up a sample file, and unfortunately right now I can't remember which one it was. Let's see, it's a 105 Food Mart, which is right here. So this is the table information, and if you go under here, then you get information about who the owner is, and you can kind of go into the details of the owner. There's also down here some storage tank registration information that you can delve into. Now if I go here and expand into the owner details, then I'll give you the name, which I assume is like the DBA, and then this is the legal name, although this is pretty much a DBA. And these are the reports that you can pretty much get straight off. I did not see a way to download this in terms of an Excel. And that's it for Texas. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.